Oh yeah guys, another quick update on Nokia stock. So Nokia is another one which we cover almost every single day now because you guys do seem to enjoy the videos, and honestly Nokia is up again tonight and I think that is a fantastic thing to see. We're looking at a 2% increase and we do actually have some big news for Nokia coming tomorrow, as the financials are apparently scheduled for the 4th of February, which is obviously tomorrow. So of course big things coming very soon and we are looking at some potential increases with Nokia stock in the next few days, but tonight I'm giving my personal opinions for what we have seen today and of course my personal opinions for tomorrow. If you want to see a bit more of a long-term analysis, we do that on the weekends, so make sure to watch then, and of course do subscribe as to not miss out. On top of that, if you do want to come talk to us in Discord, you can, it would be appreciated, and if you want to become a channel member and support the channel, that would also go a long way. But yeah guys, in tonight's one we're giving our forecast for today and of course tomorrow on Nokia stock, what I personally expect to see tomorrow. Yeah guys, Nokia beginning us has been moving quite volatilely over the past 5 days. We can see we are actually down, and of course that was due to the fact that it got a lot of hype earlier in the month, and of course that was only a few days ago, so we do see a big increase in price, but actually it sold off just as fast as it went back up, which wasn't a bad thing. We were still positive for the week, but you know what, that is why the charts are red. So realistically, before that big increase in hype, we were realistically sat around this area here, which is not the worst thing in the world. From there, Nokia has sold off a bit. Now Nokia, I personally believe, and I could be wrong on that one, but at least on my brokerage, it is not, banned for trading. It is still able to be traded, and that is a good thing. So there is still a lot of hype potentially for Nokia, as people still are seeing this as a relatively hyped up stock. And you know what guys, I think tomorrow's earnings could play into that a lot if they are positive, but if they are negative they could actually have the opposite effect. So guys, tomorrow when we're looking at Nokia stock, personally I don't believe it will be too bad. Like I said, if the earnings are positive, we are definitely expecting a big increase in price. I think that hype could definitely carry us up back to the level that we were at before, around this 14.88 point, if not past $5 potentially. I think that would be a great thing to see. I think Nokia obviously does have that long-term potential, and even short-term the potential is still there. But obviously guys, if you are going to be investing in Nokia, in my personal opinion, and like I said, I am not a financial advisor, I will be going in for this one with the long-term position because I personally do see a lot going for the company. So when it comes to entry points for a long-term position, and bear in mind I am not a financial advisor, so please just don't follow me blindly, make sure to do your own research, but in my personal opinion, I think now is not a bad entry point at all. I think obviously if you could have bought in at the low points, that would have been fantastic, but obviously that has gone now and we can't look back to what has happened. We can look to what we might see in the future. So guys, yeah, looking for tomorrow, honestly there could be a big increase in Nokia's share price. Earnings are apparently coming out at 8 o'clock GMT, so if you were wondering, that is when it's coming out, and that could have a big effect on the market as well. So of course realistically Nokia could see a lot of volatility tomorrow, to be honest. It could be good, it could be bad, but you know what guys, if it was to go down, I would definitely see this as a decent opportunity to buy the dip, because I personally do see a lot happening for Nokia long term. I think it is a very decent company, and of course they do intend to have a lot of coverage in 5G and have a lot of 5G market share. So of course that is what Nokia now focus on. They are a 5G based company, and you know what, they already have quite a large market share in the 5G industry. They do expect that to grow in the future, and that would also help the shares price, as the company would be making more money. But yeah, looking into the next few days, Nokia is definitely going to be a very volatile one post earnings, and of course around the earnings period. But you know what, I think if it is positive, it's definitely going to hopefully bring some more hype into the stock and hopefully increase the shares price, and I think that would be a great thing to see. So overall guys, in my personal opinion, I would be holding Nokia for a long-term position, but of course in the short-term position there is still a lot of potential there still, and I think this one could still get a lot of hype, but overall like I said, I would be in this one for the more long-term period. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video guys. If you want to see my opinions on Nokia post earnings, that will be out tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe to see that episode, and I'll see you in that one guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you then. Goodbye.